Another day and another dollar. Good morning, guys. Here we go. This is the best trading pattern. If you know it, if you understand it, you will find consistency. We're going to get you a Cartier watch, but if you want to wear Cartiers, then you must know this. You must be understanding of volatility and why certain things happen in the market. With that being said, here's a trading tutorial followed by a live trading session from A to Z. This will help you make sense of what's happening in the markets every single day. Here is the best day trading pattern. If you want your trading to go from hard to easy, you must watch this video till the end. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another gem video. I'm about to show you guys this pattern and how to make sense of market volatility every single day. And by the end of this video, we would have made a live trade based on this concept. You will see something similar to a V-shaped pattern, but what does it actually mean? So indecision pattern, or the V-shape, a stock will go up and down within a range if the market doesn't know where to push the stock to. Guys, this is something every trader needs to know. Why does a stock behave the way it behaves? Why do you trade a specific stock based on support and resistance? I mean, a stock goes to support for a reason, and then it goes to resistance for another reason. It's the same reason, and that is indecision usually. Most stocks don't have any news to move them, and most stocks do not move randomly. There needs to be some reason, whether it's a broader market rally or a catalyst for an individual stock. However, many stocks will go through a V-shaped pattern every day. These are your swing trades sometimes, or even volatile stocks. When you see me trade today, I'm going to be trading a volatile stock. So therefore, I'm not even going to trade a stock that has a catalyst for today. So I'm going to trade based on this pattern. So there needs to be a reason to push it. Therefore, a V-shape or U-shape pattern will form daily. Let me give you examples. Now we'll go to kind of candlesticks. Okay, an indecision candle is a candle that shows neither buyers nor sellers had a clear control during that period. That's something you will see when you're day trading or when you're swing trading. Sometimes you're swing trading, you get frustrated because your stock is stuck within a range before it breaks out. The reason we just explained earlier. So an indecision candle looks like this, for example. This here, indecision candle, also called a spinning top. So this is what it looks like. 2 wicks and a kind of little thing right here. This is an indecision candle. For that period, let's say this stock here, year to date, hasn't really done much. All it did is a little uptrend, and even with that uptrend, it was just creating support levels. You see here these cross signs, little cross signals, and then eventually it tested a level, and then the market decided, well, we don't really know what's going on here with this stock, so we sold off, and it sold off 35%. That is the indecision candle. It doesn't really know what it wants to do. Some people call it resistance, right? But resistance is one thing, and not knowing where to go is another thing. Sometimes you might confuse a stock selling off with a stock that's about to go to the depths of hell in terms of price action. But sometimes it's just indecision. It doesn't really know where it wants to go. So an indecision candle is a candle that shows neither buyers nor sellers had clear control during that period. That's because some stocks do not have catalysts, do not have direction, do not have a broader market rally. Investors are not focused on those such stocks. So here's another thing. It's also called a spinning top, same as indecision. So if you hear that word spinning top, well, that's the same as an indecision. Here's another stock, for example. And this is the chart for this stock. Here's the indecision candle. By the way, both of these stocks are same category or sector. And you can see June as well. Here's the spinning top, rejection, and here's the same thing, rejection in June. All right, both of these are June, May, June. Okay, that's the spinning top right here. So they come in different colors and different shapes and sizes, but they have the same symptoms. 1 wick exposed, and then there's a body here. And what follows is a selling pressure, but it doesn't mean it's bearish. It just means at this given moment in time, there was an indecision. The market does not know where it wants to take these stocks yet. So what stocks have these? Well, it's mostly all stocks, but mostly growth stocks, stocks waiting for catalysts, stocks that don't want to drop or go up, stocks that are bottoming out, stocks that are waiting for broader market rally, stocks with monthly volatility, let's say over 100%, or risk on stocks. Okay, and you usually get something similar to this. With that being said, let's go trade this concept. All right, guys, so we're going to be watching MicroStrategy stock. Even though there is no catalyst and no reason for this stock to move, We're just going to trade it based on what I showed you earlier, which is an indecisive movement. And this is what an indecisive chart looks like. It really doesn't want to drop any further, and it doesn't want to continue upwards. So it's just sideways movements. Now, of course, that's only for a short period of time before the direction is established, and mostly it will be upwards. So here, what I could do, the market just opened actually just a minute ago, and you can see this candle has opened up here. I'm just looking at the candlestick where it wants to go, and this is support area right here. This area is support, and we've already tested it right here. So once I zoom in, guys, this will be a buy position because the market today, it looks okay. And by the way, this is what the candle looks like now. You see a nice push to the upside. We're going to go with 400 shares here on MicroStrategy, executed long. So I opened the buy position, and you can see we've actually bounced from that support level after having some kind of a V-shaped pattern form initially. And you'll see it in a minute when I open it on a line chart. It opened up red, dipped by a few percentages, and now I took the V. Okay, and by the way, this is the case for the last couple of days as well, weeks, matter of fact. And I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen me trade this before in many other tutorials. Okay, so this is one example of how to take this. So what I'm going to do now is speed this forward, and I'll see you guys when this has fully played out. So here is the pattern playing out exactly as I said. 500 euros or dollars secured. 580 actually. So we just made 580 trading exactly what I said we were going to do before market even opened. Okay, and this was a $30,000 or $36,000 position. If you enjoyed this, if you got value, hit that like button. Help this video and help this channel. Let me know you watched this video till the end. Learn, learn, learn. That's what you're here to do, guys. Make sure you learn as much as you can from me. I won't always be around. Alright guys, now I don't have a patent for this pattern. It's a daily pattern that appears every day. I didn't make it up and say this is my strategy. This is just simple recognition of patterns that repeat themselves, and you take it to the real world and execute trades on it and then confirm that it works. That's what I suggest you guys do. Open up your demo accounts and practice. Now, not every market you call every dip a dip. Some dips are going to be continuation downward, so there's no point of taking those dips. But there will be many tutorials similar to this based on this setup on this channel, of course. And do this and practice, and after practice, then you can run and do it with real money. But that's me done. Hopefully you guys learned a thing or two. Hopefully this video, this tutorial made your life a little bit easier. See you guys next time. As always, smash that like button if you made it this far. Support the channel. Let this video be known to everybody else out there. Or if you want to gatekeep it, no problem. At least drop a comment. See you guys next time. Appreciate you as always. Bye.